Running multiple YouTube channels? Or maybe you're planning to launch new ones targeting completely different countries. But there's always that constant fear, right? What if YouTube flags your single IP address and bans all your channels at once? Well, drop that fear today. I'm going to show you the ultimate risk-free method to safely run 10, 20, or even more channels directly from a single PC.
Hey guys, welcome back to Avishka Dilshan. Before we dive into the secret sauce today, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on these creator secrets.
So here's the problem. When you log into dozens of accounts using a standard browser like Chrome, the YouTube algorithm catches on instantly. The bulletproof solution? Anti-detect browsers. And today, we're talking about the absolute best in the game right now, Dolphin Anty. What this incredible tool does is isolate every single browser profile. It makes each profile look like a completely unique physical computer on the internet. Meaning, if one of your channels ever faces an issue or gets a strike, your other channels are 100% protected and completely unaffected.
The biggest advantage here? You can directly plug in country-specific proxies. Let's say you're running a Faceless or Cash Cow channel targeting the USA. With Dolphin Anty, you can mask your digital footprint, making it look exactly to the algorithm like you're uploading right from the States. Plus, say goodbye to the absolute headache of constantly logging in and logging out. Just one click on your profile, and boom, you're straight into your YouTube Studio dashboard.
I know you guys are itching to try this out to secure your YouTube empire. I've dropped my exclusive link right at the very top of the description below. You can use that link to quickly create your account and download Dolphin Anty. Signing up through that link is absolutely free for you, but it's a massive support to this channel, and it helps me keep bringing you guys high-value content like this.
Now, if you guys want a dedicated step-by-step tutorial on how to properly buy and set up proxies inside Dolphin Anty, drop a comment down below saying Proxy Setup. If you found this video valuable today, destroy that like button and share it with your fellow creators. Keep creating, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!